Security cameras do more than just protect your home. They can also play a significant role in enhancing your home insurance coverage. Did you know that many insurance companies offer discounts to homeowners with security systems? Installing security cameras could lower your premiums, making your insurance more affordable. In the unfortunate event of theft or damage, security camera footage provides concrete evidence for your insurance claim, speeding up the process and increasing the chances of a favorable outcome. Security cameras also act as a powerful deterrent against fraudulent claims, providing clear evidence of incidents and protecting you from false accusations. The presence of security cameras boosts your overall security awareness. Knowing your home is monitored encourages proactive measures to enhance security, which insurance companies appreciate. Ultimately, having security cameras installed enhances your peace of mind. Feeling secure in your home reduces stress and allows you to enjoy your living space more fully. Investing in security cameras is not just about safety, it's a smart financial move. Understanding how they can enhance your insurance coverage helps you make informed decisions. For personalized advice on integrating security cameras with your home insurance needs, contact us for your free consultation at 813-489-9332. Visit our website at www.secureviewcameras.com to explore our range of security solutions and start protecting your home today. Secure your home, save on insurance, and enjoy peace of mind. Call us now and take the first step towards a safer, more affordable future.